Okay guys, welcome back for some outdoor therapy. I already put a cool little short out about this place, and now I'm gonna take you in. This is the Ranch Motel. Check it out. Great little place to come hang out with the family, take the kids, the dog, the missus, the mistress, the mister, whatever you're into. And have a nice peaceful day, maybe a beer or two if you're into that thing, some wine. Let me get this turned around and get you guys to see what it's all about. Stand by. All right, there you go. Got it turned around. You can see where I'm at. Over here off East Mulberry and Avenue B.
You want to come with me?
How you doing?
How you doing, man?
All right. So this is the outdoor portion, and it is an actual motel, but during the day, these food trucks, pickleball courts, and bean bags. I know what you people call it. I'm not calling it that. I'm calling it beanbag toss. It's a nice little area. Got a couple food trucks in here. Good shade, and in the evening, those buildings behind, that's the motel where you can stay. Thought that was a real owl. That's funny. Restrooms. Of course, you got the smaller pits. This one for the moon. Of course, it's gated off from Broadway. On the street. Nice little place hidden in the city. Close to nature. I'll get you over in the motel because it's pretty cool too. How you doing, guys?
Hey, how you doing?
All right. So that's the office. All right. Patio area. Show you this first. I'm just gonna stop it here. I don't wanna bother people. But yeah, let's take it back. This is a mesquite tree. They cut the thorns off. If you ever put your hand on one of these, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Trust me, I had to do a lot of cutting to cut those thorns off too. Alright. This is a sneak peek in the pool area. How you doing? Once again, guys, it's October, and I think it's going to be about 92, 93 today. Water closets. Little bar. That's a nice little deck area in between each of the buildings.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Does it usually get busy around what time here? I guess you don't want to answer my question. Hello? Around what time does it usually get busy here?
Sorry?
Around what time does it usually pick up?
It just depends. Today's a little different because we have like an event tonight. So like we put on social media that at 3 we're gonna be closed to everybody.
Okay.
Except the
People at the event,
yeah. So I don't know if like right now there's no one here.
Yeah.
And normally on a Saturday like we'll have people, you know.
So there's a small event going on later. Beautiful.
He's going to be all dressed up, but he's not
How
going
you
to be
doing,
back.
ladies?
He's not going to be back, is he?
Do one more last look at that pool. So if you're ever around, guys, come over here to Ranch Motel, a little hidden spot. Downtown San Antonio, man. Wow. Beanbag ball. How you doing, guys? Ooh, pumpkins. Oh, those pumpkins. Calabazas. Alright, guys. Let me get this finished up. One moment. Alright, guys. There you go. Ranch Motel off of, East Mulberry and Avenue B off of Broadway downtown. Come check it out. Great little spot. Hidden little gem. To come check out. So if you're ever around, or if you live in town and you got kids and you want to come and enjoy nightlife with the babies out safe, do it. Alright, guys. Get out there. Get some outdoor therapy. Tell somebody you love them. Alright. Catch you later. Bye.